Morning fog reveals a flawless Phantom, yet something beneath its elegance already feels wrong. When the heavy coach door closes, the body shivers faintly like tired bones. Inside the workshop, craftsmen sense hidden weakness, waiting patiently beneath immaculate luxury. Shop lights sweep across fenders, revealing hairline ripples only patient craftsmen would notice. A trim screwdriver lifts the sill plate, exposing dust packed deep like old ash. Seat cushions leave the cabin first, releasing dry leather scent and trap decades. Beneath the rear carpet, brittle tack strips crumble, hinting the structure has suffered quietly. Brass body tags remain intact, but nearby timber sounds hollow under gentle knuckles. Door gaps look respectable until measurements show the opening narrowing by hidden millimeters. Every polished contour resists suspicion, making the first weakness feel strangely personal today. Fenders, lamps, and running boards depart carefully, stacked like relics against workshop walls. With panels removed, the coach body exhales dust from seams untouched for generations.
Tiny rust blisters appear near ash joints, too small for casual buyers to fear.
The first bolt shears unexpectedly, and the room falls quiet around that sharp snap.
The first bolt snaps unexpectedly, and every mechanic suddenly questions what lies deeper.
When the cowl lifts slightly, sagging timber beneath compresses like damp bread crust.
Elegant body lines had masked weakness perfectly. The structure was failing without spectacle.
Chalk marks spread across hidden joints, mapping where strength vanished and rot advanced.
The body of Rolls-Royce Phantom separates from chassis slowly, chains creaking while old timber protests softly.
Now suspended, the Phantom reveals how grace depended entirely upon unseen craftsmanship below. Bare chassis rails emerge oily yet honest, carrying scars of roads long forgotten. Cross members measure straight enough, but outriggers show pitting where trapped moisture lingered. With panels removed, dust pours from seams like the Phantom is quietly exhaling age.
Brake rods and linkages hang tagged neatly, each pin catalogued for exact return.
Axle housings weep old oil, but bearings rotate with surprising dignity after cleaning. Removing Phantom underbody panels exposes trapped moisture that quietly weakened the Coachbuilt car frame.
Inside the Phantom body frame, ashwood members crumble where decades of dampness lingered.
The Phantom's beautiful steel panels hid failing the wooden structure that once supported every door. This section here, the way the ash joins the bulkhead, is unique to the Phantom I.
Right, I'll make sure to get a detailed shot of that specific joint. Removing Phantom rear quarter trim reveals hidden wooden coach frame.
Weakened by age.
The Phantom body flexes slightly, confirming the internal wooden coach frame lost strength.
Oh my God, that's supposed to be solid. It's completely rotted through. This is a massive problem.
The aperture width is exactly 42.5 inches.
42.5. Got it. How's the hinge play looking?
Minimal. The caliper reading is within tolerance.
New seasoned ash timber arrives, prepared specifically for rebuilding the Phantom coach frame. Patterns from original Phantom frame guide craftsmen shaping new structural wooden car supports. Each new joint replicates the Phantom's original coach building methods used nearly a century ago.
Look at the stress fractures right here. The metal is completely fatigued.
Yes, the corrosion runs deep. We'll need to reinforce the entire section.
Only thin metal panels held the Phantom together, where solid wood once supported.
I'm getting some resistance right here on the pillar.
Good catch. That confirms the structural integrity of the main frame.
With damage understood, craftsmen begin rebuilding the Phantom's wooden coach frame carefully.
Adjacent roof rail joints are opened, uncovering black moisture staining beneath old fabric.
Slowly, the Phantom body regains rigidity as new structural members replace rotted originals.
Reinforcement plates hide discreetly within the frame, strengthening the Phantom without changing history.
Test-fitting doors confirms the Phantom structure finally holds weight without flexing again.
Hidden steel reinforcement plates are fabricated discreetly, supporting load without betraying original construction.
Hammer and dolly work smooth, wavering edges where old movement stretched the metal.
By morning, the rebuilt side stands true, door aperture measured crisp and square.
Panel frames return next, their mounting points corrected before any outer skin reattaches.
Pistons emerge carbon-covered, proof the Phantom rested silently for many decades.
Bearings polish clean, revealing the Phantom engine still capable of graceful motion.
Valves are lapped carefully, restoring compression the Phantom once delivered effortlessly.
Reassembled engine returns proudly to the Phantom chassis after meticulous rebuilding.
Black lacquer paint transforms the Phantom body into a deep mirror again.
After curing, craftsmen polish the Phantom finish until reflections appear endless.
Chrome lamps, grille, and trim return, restoring the Phantom's unmistakable elegance.
Inside, fresh leather and polished wood revive the Phantom's aristocratic interior atmosphere.
The Phantom engine starts quietly, its smooth rhythm echoing craftsmanship reborn.
Slowly, the Phantom rolls forward, its rebuilt structure finally carrying beauty safely. Beneath flawless paint, new bones now support the Phantom's elegance for generations.
Beauty needs bones. If this restoration inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share.
Subtle refinements continue as hinges are tuned for smooth, effortless Phantom operation.
Window frames are seated carefully, restoring the Phantom's refined cabin symmetry once again.
Glass panels slide into place, completing the Phantom's elegant enclosed body design.
Weather seals are installed quietly, protecting the Phantom interior from future decay.
Final wiring is checked, ensuring lights and instruments function reliably once more. Headlamps glow softly, confirming the Phantom's electrical system has returned to life.
The horn sounds gently, echoing the Phantom's quiet authority across the workshop.
Tires are mounted carefully, restoring the Phantom's proper stance and road presence.
Wheel alignment follows, ensuring the Phantom will glide straight and true.
Fluids are topped carefully, preparing the Phantom for its first extended movement.
The Phantom moves forward again, this time with complete strength beneath its elegance.
Outside, sunlight reveals flawless reflections across the Phantom's deep black finish.
The rebuilt structure carries weight effortlessly, just as its original builders intended.
Each movement now feels composed. The Phantom, once again,
a symbol of quiet strength.
What was once collapsing now stands firm, restored through patience and skilled hands. The Phantom rests proudly, its hidden structure ensuring beauty endures for decades ahead.
True restoration lies beneath the surface, where strength quietly supports timeless elegance. Beauty needs bones. If this revival moved you, please like, subscribe, and share.